Hello, scholars. This is Shweta Mishra, your computer educator. Remember me? We met few times during interactive sessions. Remember now? Yes, children. So today we are going to start our journey of learning computer. And for this, we are going to start with the first chapter of our textbook, and that is computer machine. We all know that computer is a machine. A computer is an electronic machine that makes our work easy. Why it is called an electronic machine, children? Because it works on electricity, right? If no electricity is there, our computer will not work, right? And computer makes our work easy also. Now here are some pictures that tells us how computer is useful, how we are using it in our day-to-day life. Let us see the pictures. The first one, playing games. Yes, we all love playing games with the computer, right? Draw and color pictures. Yes, we love to draw and color using computer. Typing documents. We type many things. Like we teachers, we send you worksheets by typing. Listening music and watching movies. Yes, this is so everyone's favorite, right? Then we solve some sums also using computer. Isn't computer a very useful thing? Now see children, we are going to compare humans and computers. Who is better? We will analyze it right now. A computer can work very fast. Yes, that's true. It can solve millions of calculations in seconds. Humans cannot work as fast as computer, right? Because if we are working from morning till evening, we get tired. है ना? A computer does not make any mistake. True, computer never makes mistake. If I want to calculate many of the calculations, then also it will do it correctly. Humans can make mistakes. Yes, we can. Sometimes we add correctly, sometimes we make some mistake, right? A computer never gets tired, but humans can get tired after some time, है ना? From the morning I'm doing so much of work, I am tired now because we are humans. But have you heard ever that a computer is saying, I am tired, turn me off, shut me down? Have you ever heard it? I have never heard it. Okay, so a computer does not have any feeling. Yes, if I say that I love all my kids of grade 2, that means I have feelings. Being a human, I have a feelings. But computer will never tell you that he loves you, right? The- Then comes a computer has a very good memory. Absolutely right. A computer is definitely having very good memory. It stores everything in it and it never forgets the information stored in it. Once you have saved anything in computer, it remains there till you don't delete it. Humans can forget the information stored in their mind. Yes, after a few years, we forget what happened. Like I don't remember what I ate 10 days before. You know? Moving on, we will discuss now what are the different types of computer. There are many types. Three types we can see. First one is desktop computer. The second one is laptop. And the third one is palm top. All of these are also called personal computers. Okay. Now what are desktop computers, children? Can you see the picture? We can see two different pictures, right? These both are desktop computers. The computers that are kept on a desk, that means on a table, are called desktop. Can you understand the word desk? And then top, that means something that is kept on a desk. So that is a desktop computer. In these two pictures, you can see two different types of computer. In this one, there is a monitor, there is a CPU, there is a mouse, there is a keyboard. But this one has a monitor, has a mouse, has a keyboard, but CPU is not there. So you must be wondering where the CPU is. And if CPU is not there, how computer will work? No, CPU is there, beta. But nowadays, new type of systems have come in the market. They have the CPU inside the monitor. The monitor itself has the CPU inside it. Okay. The next one is laptop computer. Small computers that are kept on our lap are called laptops. Lap, you understand now? In Hindi we call it godi, god mein, in that way. So the computers that can be kept on our laps are called laptops. This is how a laptop look. The last one is palm tops. So the small computers that fit into the palm. Palm, you understand? This is palm. So when a computer fits into our palm, that is called palm tops. And the examples are tablets. And nowadays smartphones are there. So they are also a type of palm tops. Now we are discussing the steps to start and shut down a computer. How to start a computer properly and how to shut down a computer. This is very necessary, bache, because if we do not start the computer thoroughly and properly, and if we do not shut it down properly, our system will get corrupted, and it won't work properly after few months or after few years. So if you want your device to work properly, then follow this process. So we'll first learn how to start a computer. Step 1 is switch on the power supply because it runs on electricity, so it needs power. Then step 2 is switch on the UPS. UPS is uninterrupted power supply. This is connected so that if even light goes for some hours, the computer can work. The next step is switch on the power button on the CPU cabinet. On every CPU cabinet, excuse me, on every CPU cabinet, you must have seen a power button. So step 3 is to turn it on. Step 4 is switch on the monitor. You have to turn on the button of your monitor, and then your system is started and it is ready to work on. Now we will see when we are done with the work and we want to turn the system off, what are the steps we should follow. First of all, click the start button. Where the start button is? At the bottom left side of your screen. Click the shutdown option. When you click on the start button, you will see this option, shutdown. Click on that. A message logging off first of all come, and then shutting down will appear on your screen. When the monitor turns blank, then turn off the power button on the monitor. Then switch off the UPS and then switch off the power supply. And remember, you are not supposed to switch off the CPU button. CPU gets turned off automatically. Okay, it turns off by itself when we click on the shutdown button. We are not supposed to click the button, press the button of the CPU. When you start the computer, we see something like this on our screen, right? All of you must have seen this. This screen is called desktop. Okay, the screen of a computer, this is called desktop. This appears when we start our computer. And the pictures available here, can you see these pictures? They are called icons. Okay, so when a computer starts, a screen called desktop appears and you can see many small pictures on it which are called icons. So children, this was all about the first chapter. Now your homework is to read this chapter thoroughly, and we will definitely meet very soon with the next chapter with very more interesting things about computer and some interesting facts also. So till then, take care, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye-bye.